Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to discuss about model in place component in Revit architecture. So in the last video tutorial I discussed about this topic component, and if you click this arrow there are two types, that is place a component, which we have already discussed, and now today I am going to discuss model in place. So if you see the definitions, if you bring your cursor, it's saying that it is it places an element in the building model based on selected element type. That means Revit is having predefined elements in its libraries that we can use in our project. So if you go and select this place a component, you can see this by default in properties there is desk, which we can select here and bring in our project, and you can use this in your designs. And if you go, you can see these are the furnitures, and there are many default furnitures like parking space, basic trees. You can bring these trees also, you can use in your project. And I also discussed that after that you can insert from family from Revit libraries. You can go and choose any library. You are supposed to go to libraries and you can select whatever elements you require, like doors. Revit is having predefined elements. If you require columns also, and likewise lighting, furniture system, you can use as a family in your project. But sometimes you require to get some customized and unique furnitures in your project based on your design. Like I will show you one example here. If I am going to my another project here, this is restaurant project, and I have modeled a unique furniture system here for sitting, sofa and couch. And you can see this is in curve shape, and there is some elliptical table placed here and some sofa which are aligned with each other. If you go and see in plan, you can see this is the furniture which I have developed with the help of model in place. So model in place, if I am bringing my cursor here, you can see it creates a component that is unique to the project. So for this project I required this kind of furniture so that I can give good designs to clients. So I designed this kind of furniture system in restaurant, so that you cannot find in this place a component. And for this you are required to design this particular furniture system in a model in with the help of model in place. So place a component is used to place elements that are already inbuilt in Revit libraries, and a model in place is used to create unique elements and furniture system for your design. And so this is the difference. So today I am going to discuss this. So in the if you go and select this model in place here, you can see it will open one categories, family category and parameters. And in family category, you can see there are many terms like air terminals, audio visual devices, case for ceiling, columns, communication devices. If you go doors also, and you can see here floors also, you can create generic models also, create that. These all are used to create your own family of unique elements that are not available in your predefined Revit libraries. So model in place we will use to create such kind of furniture which I have shown here, this kind of furniture with the help of model in place. So I will show you. So you can use any of these terms. Suppose if you are making any unique floor, you will select these floors, or you can also select this generic model. So generic model is used to create any model which is not required to have some specific categories. Suppose I am making pergola, so I will use these generic models also, and I can also create floors with the help of generic models. But you can use these also, that we can understand if I will go to some detail massing and site, and when I will start this topic, suppose I will show you. I am going to select this generic model. I'll click OK, and after that it will ask for renaming. Suppose if I am creating pergola here, I will rename this as pergola. I will click OK, and now I will start this topic in the next class, like extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep blend, void forms. Then you can understand the use of these terms. I will cancel this model, and I will again go to model in place, and then these 5 terms you can use for creating your design. Suppose you are creating unique doors, you will use doors. If you are creating floors, you will use floors. And if you are using walls also, you can use the walls, or else you can use these generic models. So generic models is not having any specific category. You can use these also. Slowly you will understand the difference. So I am going to create a model in place with the help of generic model, and I will use another project here, and I will go to this 3D, this one, and I will show you how we can create with the help of model in place. So I'm going to my component, and I'm going to select model in place, and now I will select generic models here, and I will click OK, and I will rename this. I am going to create pergola, so I will click OK, and now I am going to create a pergola just above this window. So we have to define work plane, and I have already made tutorials on work plane that you can refer from my playlist. So I will go to extrusion. I will discuss in detail about extrusion in coming tutorials. So I am going to select work plane for this. So I will set it to PK plane, and then I will select this work plane, and now we can make extrusion here. So I'm going to make extrusion 8 inch by 8 inch and 8 inch by 10 inch, and you can give some height here. So extrusion start, extrusion end. I will make detailed tutorial on this. So I'm going to apply, and you can give some materials if you want here. And I am going to make material, and I will create new material, and I will select wood. I will look for wood here. I will apply, and I will finish this. And you can see this is the extrusion of pergola with the help of model in place. So likewise, if you want to create any unique furniture, you can use to create such kind of furniture. So we can finish this like this kind of furniture also you can create with model in place. So this is the basic difference about place a component and model in place. In the next video tutorial, we'll start with extrusion. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.